Hello, my name is Mackenzie, and today we will be going over how to submit your thesis digitally via Canvas. After your thesis has been evaluated and approved by the chair of your department and advisors, you will need to upload your approved thesis to the library electronically via Canvas. Your department will add you to your cohort's thesis submission course during the semester. Check Canvas towards the end of the semester to ensure you have access. If you don't see it in your dashboard, contact your program head. The Canvas course will ask you to fill out an online thesis submission worksheet form and upload your PDF plus any supplementary files or links. To begin your submission, click on the course. Once in the course, you will see a short description from your department and a statement from the library on keeping and sharing your thesis. The course is broken up into 3 assignments, all of which you will need to complete fully. To get started, select assignment number 1, Complete Online Thesis Submission Worksheet. The Thesis Submission Worksheet is a Google form in which certain fields are required. Be sure to read the short descriptions on some of the questions to ensure you're answering each field with the correct information and format. For instance, at the bottom of the first page of the form, we ask for subject terms. If you have several subject terms you would like to use, be sure to separate them with semicolons. The form is 3 pages long, so don't forget to click Next at the bottom of the page. On the second page of the form, you will be asked to give your file a particular name. Again, be sure to read the short description to ensure the information you are submitting is correct. Following the guidelines, my PDF would be named 2019-03 _ Salisbury _ maah.pdf. This is what I would label my PDF if I was graduating in the spring of 2019 with a master's in art history. If you have any questions about file naming or anything else in this form, please contact the library at flaxman@saac.edu or your department. On the last page, you will see a statement about copyright that states that as the creator of this work, you will retain full ownership of the copyrights to your thesis. It also states that the library can digitize and share your thesis for educational purposes. If you have further questions about this, please contact the library at flaxman@saac.edu or your department. Otherwise, acknowledge the copyright agreement by checking the box. The last section is about access options. Read through each of these options carefully before selecting. If you have questions about which access option is right for you or want more information on open access, please contact the library at flaxman@saac.edu. Once you have completed the form, you will get a message that says your response has been recorded. At that point, you can return to the home page to move on to assignment number 2. When back on the course homepage, select assignment number 2, Thesis Form Complete ? Yes/No. This step is an acknowledgement via Canvas that your form has been completed. This assignment is in quiz format, so after you select, you will be prompted by a button to, quote, take the quiz. Complete the quiz by selecting True and clicking the Submit Quiz button. The quiz will show that you completed this by showing your attempts, which means your response has been recorded, and you can move back to the home page for the final step. Back at the home page, select Assignment 3, Upload your thesis documents. Congratulations, you've made it to the final step. Here is where you will upload the document itself. Remember to match the file name you entered on the Google form. Note, this step is final and no corrections can be made to your submission once it's been submitted, so double check your spelling and formatting. Your PDF should include a title page, an abstract, and a full text all-in-one document. If you need help combining these, use the links provided. Finally, select the Submit Assignment button in the top right-hand corner. A box will appear that will prompt you to upload from your computer, Dropbox, or Google Drive. Select the appropriate file and any additional or supplemental files here. Then select the Submit Assignment button. Congrats! If you've successfully submitted, you will see a submitted checkmark in the top right-hand corner and the date and time of the submission, as well as a link to the details you submitted. If you have any further questions about submitting your thesis via Canvas, please contact us at the library at flaxman@saic.edu.